This gorgeous, meticulously kept townhouse located in the heart of Virginia Beach is absolutely move-in ready. This end unit allows plenty of natural lighting, wood fireplace, freshly painted, new storm door, HVAC and refrigerator replaced in 2022, dishwasher and privacy fence replaced in 2021. 2 parking spaces conveniently located outside your door. Shed conveys as is and windows have a lifetime transferable warranty. Great opportunity for a low-maintenance lifestyle and place to call home. Amenities include clubhouse, ground maintenance, playground, pool, and tennis courts.